How to hide a post from someone on Instagram. First things first, open your Instagram app and make sure you're logged in to your account. Now, the first method is using close friends. Using close friends, you can post your stories and post only for your chosen people. Just scroll down and choose audience. From audience, simply tap on close friend. Now, your posted post will be only shown to your close friends, and only selected people can see your post. Simply tap on post. Now, as you can see here, our post has been posted in our close friends. Now, the next method is restricting someone on Instagram. Restricting someone prevents them from seeing when you're online and limits their interactions with your post. Just go to the person's Instagram profile, tap on the three dots, and simply select restrict and confirm. They won't know they've been restricted, and their comments on your post will be hidden unless you approve them. Now, if you want to hide your stories and live, what you can do is tap on three horizontal bars and go to settings and activity, and simply select hide story and live. You can search for it as well. Once you've done that, you can choose people or search for the person and select them, and now they won't see any new post or stories you uploaded. Last tip is to make your account private. Making your account private ensures only your followers can see your post. Just go to settings and privacy, tap account privacy, and enable private account. Now only approved followers will see your post. And that's how you can hide your post from someone on Instagram without blocking them.